All right, everyone. We are going to do a quick review of tempo. Tempo is the speed of the music, whether it be very slow, going largo, or presto, very fast. So I'm going to test your ears to see if you can tell the difference between presto and largo in music. As we follow along this race, I'm going to play the music, and when the music changes and you hear the music change, you're going to slow down. What are we going to slow down? Our hands. So let's wake up our hands. Take a scooch back from your desks, put your hands on your lap, and we are going to pat really fast when the music goes presto. Pat, 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 pat. Not hard, but very fast. Pat, 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 pat. And then when the music slows down, our patting slows down. Let's see how we do. Here we go. Listen, is that fast? It's fast.
Presto, 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 presto. Woo! Presto, 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 presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto.
Oh, it's changed. Largo.
What do you think of presto?
Faster.
Presto, presto, presto. Presto, 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 presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto. Very slow, very slow. What do you think of presto, 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 presto. Presto, 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 presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto. Really, really, very truly, super mono fast. Presto, presto. Largo, presto.
Good job.